Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix WayFinder is having audio or sound not working. It is crackling, popping issue which is happening for many of the users, and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about when you're having this particular issue, all you have to do is a simple restart. So just go over here in the start, click on this particular icon, go to this particular one over here and go for a restart. So once restart is done, try launch the game, and that is what you have to do. So this is a basic step. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So always try with a simple one, that is restart. Once after that, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we need to run the troubleshooter. That means audio troubleshooter. For this, we just need to go over here in the search. We have to go to settings over here. Now from here, we have to go to system. Keep scrolling down and navigate to troubleshoot over here. Go to other troubleshooters, and from here we have to go to the audio over here and click on the run. So it will be running some basic troubleshoot guides over here, and once you run over here you will be able to get the complete details, and if anything is there it will be showing you guys out. So once you run the troubleshoot, most probably the issue has to be fixed, but these two steps are just basic. They're not going to work unless and until you do the next coming steps. So next one is all about we need to cross check the volume mixer. So right now, as you can see, I have to go over here. So this is the sound icon. So as you can see, if it is completely muted, so imagine by accidentally I muted this. So I try to launch the game and I'm trying to play the game, but I'm still not having the audio. So this might be one of the reason. So if you ask me the question, is it possible to happen this? Because I had a couple of times this issue, because where I used to mute the voices, and afterwards when I'm trying to launch the game, I accidentally launched the game and I forgot to add this up. So it ended up in this, and I realized it is muted, so I have to change this to 100% once again. So set this to 100% and also cross check whether it is muted or not. So once afterwards it is muted, you can change this to 100% or set to a maximum value. Once after that, just go over here in the same, click on this one, go to this particular settings icon, go to the sound. So from here we have to select the respective speakers. So over here, as you can see, for the output I have selected the speaker over here, so I have to select the right speaker. Same way, if I scroll down, I have to select the same one over here. I have to select the respective one, so I have to select the right speaker over here, and also I have to make sure the volume of the output speaker is 100%, it is not muted. Same way, parallelly, I have to make sure for the input it is not muted, it is 100%. So once you set this up, you just need to close this and we just need to go back and we need to try to launch the game. Next one is all about, we can try with the next one. That is all about we need to set the sound sample rate to 24-bit. For this, we just need to go over here in the search. We have to go to control panel. If the control panel is not there, just search for control panel on the search. Now it's take to hardware and sound, select this one, select the sound. Now from here, you'll be getting this option. So what you need to do is we just need to keep scrolling down and you can navigate to speakers over here. So right now this is the speaker. So right click over here and go to the properties. Now from here, go to the advanced. Right now, as you can see, there are many options: 16-bit 4400 Hz, 16-bit 4800 Hz. So you can set the sample one over here. So once you set this up to 16-bit 4800 or whatever it is, once you set this up, just go for OK. And everything is done. Just try words once again whether the audio is still there or not. If the issue is still there, you can also try cross-checking whether the spatial sound is turned off or not. Go over here in the search and we have to go to the control panel, go to hardware and sound, go for the sound. Now from here we have to keep scrolling down and we need to navigate to speakers, select this one, right click and go to the properties, go to the spatial sound. Over here, as you can see, this should be turn it off. If it is turned on, we have to turn this off, go for OK, close this as well, go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about we need to unplug all the USB devices. So one of the main reason is this one. So just unplug everything from the port, and once afterwards launch the game successfully. Once game is successfully launched, just connect it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying with this, issue is still there, you can try with the next one, that is disable the OCULUS if OCULUS is there. So just go over here in the search, we need to go to the control panel, go to hardware and sound, go for sound. Now keep scrolling down and navigate to speakers over here, select this one. So right now, as you can see, you will be able to find if the OCULUS is here, OCULUS will be visible here. So if the OCULUS is there, just select this OCULUS and go for disable. Not this one, select the OCULUS and disable it. Once after that, go back and try launching the game. Next one is we need to verify the game file. So just go over here at the left, right click over here and go to the properties, go to the installed file. Just click on the verify integrity of game file. The game is around 47.06 GB. So if I click on this, it's going to take a little bit of time. So I'm going to skip this. Just click on this one and this will be started verifying, and afterwards you'll be getting the play button once again. So just launch the game. Even after trying still the issues there, you can try with the next one. You can also try updating the driver. Just go over here in the search, not here. You can go to the task manager, start, right click over here and we can go to device manager over here. Now from here in the device manager, you can navigate to audio over here, sound, video and game controllers. Now from here you can select the respective one, and select this one and go for update driver. Make sure it is up to date and also make sure it is all fine. So just close this and go back and try launch the game. So these are the possible workaround which can be done and how you can fix this up, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.